Smiths Interconnect Connectors unit, we have expanded our automation capabilities to supply industry-compliant, high-quality spring probes and interposers to major OEMs in defense, aerospace, and communication sectors globally. Over time, industrial automation has become integral to our production processes. We have progressed from semi-manual assembly to high-volume production of our spring probe interposers using fully automated systems. Our products offer reliability in the harshest environments, as well as design flexibility, efficient board footprints, and ease of use and assembly. From product development, analysis, and design to 3D print, we offer advanced engineering capabilities to support test lab prototyping and production. Our automated assembly process includes sensor-based monitoring, dimensional checks, electrical and force testing, and proprietary digital monitoring systems operated by our trained staff.